Alright guys, what's going on? So I've been getting a lot of messages about certain people who are having problems with when the car starts or doesn't start. The car's pretty much stuck in park and they don't know how to get it out of park. So I figured I'd do a real quick, simple how-to video on how to get the car to go in neutral. Because obviously if you don't get the car to come on, the shift knob is stuck. So let's just go in here real quick video. Oh yeah, also as well, let me know how the audio quality on this is. I got a new mic setup, so let me know how the audio quality on this is, and then we'll go from there. Hopefully it sounds good. I seen really good reviews about this mic setup, so I'm gonna find out. But anyway, back to the video. So a lot of people I know that own these cars don't even know that there's a compartment down here. Pull the mat out. Boom, just like that. So also, if you didn't know, there's a nice little detail on there from Detroit, all the skyscrapers. But there is a nice compartment under here. So right here, this is how you get to it. So real simple, just take a key, pop it in there, just like that. Take it out. Oh, after you get that out, you just pull this. You're gonna see an orange little lever. Just pull it, pull up, pull it all the way back and let go. It's gonna stay up in the upward position. And then you just put the car in run. Now the automatic, the electronic brake is gonna automatically come on. Just put your foot on the brake, push down. Now the neutral light is flashing, obviously because you have the manual neutral switch up, and there it is. It's flashing in neutral. You're ready to push this bad boy, and that's it, man. That's simple. So for a lot of people who are coming up, batteries are dead, or cars not coming on, they don't know how to get it moving. This was a really quick, simple to do video, and that's all there is to it. Just to put it back, just pull up on the lever, push back down. See, and it went right back to park. Real simple. Put the electronic brake back on, turn the car off. You're all set. Simple as that, man. Real quick, real simple. Hopefully this video helped out anybody that was having trouble with your 200. There's a couple more. There's another video I'm gonna do.